Everybody, just around here, gonna do another unboxing. Got another order of silver in. We're gonna make another purchase before, this is January 11th, so I'm making another purchase. The rates are kind of going down, fluctuating a little bit, so I'm gonna just make another purchase and see how it all turns out. Let's see what's in the box. So we got another, ooh, this is nice here, yep. Nice carrying case here. And we got the tracking order, and we have the receipt here. And what we have here is I bought a roll of silver, so roll of silver coins from Bullion. Very nice company, but definitely have enjoyed. Customer service has been great, shipping's been great, and we also get a free cool bag. It's a 1 ounce tube of 10 rounds starter pack, so they give these out for free. Well, not for free, sorry, rephrase that. These starter packs are actually for people trying to just get into silver collecting. So this is a starter pack, and yeah, so they give you a starter pack. It's 1 ounce silver eagles. It's 10 rounds in each pack. It's going for about maybe $1 over what silver's running now. I think I paid total maybe $1 over for shipping and everything else. It's not a bad deal. You can go local, that's probably better, but this company has been great here too. Like I say, if you go long term, who cares? $1 here, $1 there is no big deal. So here's the stack here. Gonna open it up. Glove on. Very, very, very nice. Gonna open this up. We're gonna split the seal. It's got the seal off here, and when twist it off, you twist it off. Comes with some shipping protection here. Oh, these are great. Look at this. Man, isn't that pretty? Well, yep. Here's your starter pack. Definitely go on the website and check them out. Yeah, you got a whole roll of silver coming out. Look at there. Gonna pull one out. I don't want to get them all dirty, but eagles. Other side. 0.999. Got a whole rack of 10 of those. Got a damn good price on them with the starter pack. Look at that. Aren't they pretty? Wow. Add that to the collection. Alright, cool guys. So I'll put a link below here, or just leave a comment if you want to get a link to get the deal that they're offering now for new customers. Definitely let me know and I will help you get the new deal. This is a great deal. Comes with a case of 10 and yeah, and a cool little bag too as well. Good starter kit for anyone who's looking to get into silver. They also have gold as well, platinum and everything else. So definitely, if you have any questions, let me know. Just Ron, please hit like and subscribe. And thanks for watching this video. Just Ron out.